Looking for the ultimate woodworking upgrade? These 20 amazing JessEm tools will completely transform your workshop. If you want pro-level precision, you'll wish you had these router lifts, table saw accessories, and innovative woodworking jigs sooner. Let's dive into the best workshop tools and top JessEm upgrades that make woodworking faster, safer, and incredibly accurate. Strengthen every miter joint with clean, flawless spline cuts every time. Introducing the JessEm Spline Jig, designed to make cutting splines on your router table quick, easy, and exceptionally precise. 4 precision R4 bearings provide effortless glide for smooth, stable operation, while the jig snaps directly into your router table track for fast setup. Removable fence faces allow zero clearance support to minimize tear-out, and 4 adjustable stops make fine-tuning symmetrical spline cuts simple and repeatable. Just secure your workpiece, slide the jig, insert the splines, and trim for professional results. Perfect for jewelry boxes, picture frames, cabinets, and fine woodworking projects. Create strong, perfectly aligned box joints with confidence and ease. Meet the JessEm Box Joint Jig, engineered to breathe new life into your router table setup by delivering flawless, professional-grade box joints every single time. Its smooth gliding platform rides on 4 premium R4 bearings for exceptional precision and stability through the miter track. Designed to eliminate complicated setups, it lets you move quickly from board to board for fast, repeatable joinery. 3 interchangeable key sizes with matching fence faces provide versatility for different projects, while the integrated wall-hanging design keeps your workshop organized. Perfect for boxes, drawers, cabinets, and fine woodworking. Lay out every cut with confidence using one dependable tool. Introducing the JessEm Quick Angle Rafter Pro, delivering unparalleled versatility and durability in a compact package for demanding construction and woodworking environments. Machined from premium hard anodized aluminum, it withstands tough job site use, while the integrated brass thumb screw lets you quickly set, lock, and replicate precise angles. A built-in spirit-level vial makes checking plumb and level effortless, and dedicated scribing and notch layout slots speed up accurate marking. Its compact tool belt-friendly profile keeps it within easy reach, making it ideal for framing, roofing, trim work, and woodworking layouts. Upgrade your woodworking setup with professional accuracy at a price that makes sense. Introducing the JessEm Weekend Warrior Router Table, offering the perfect blend of premium precision and affordability. Proudly designed and manufactured in North America. Its ultra-sturdy 14-gauge cold-rolled steel stand features tri-bend legs, hemmed braces, and padded leveling feet for outstanding stability, while remaining custom cabinet-friendly with 32 PEM nuts. The premium laminated MDF Rout-R top includes a built-in miter track and pre-drilled mounting holes, paired with the fully adjustable Rout-R Fence 2, featuring adjustable faces, a steel T-track, a bit guard, cam locks, and a dust port for cleaner, precise routing. Lay out every project with confidence and unmatched accuracy. Meet the JessEm Wood Sabre Marking Gauge, the ultimate marking gauge designed to bring unparalleled precision and efficiency to your woodworking projects. Built from high-grade stainless steel and aluminum, it delivers smooth operation and lasting durability. Its ultra-sharp replaceable blade cleanly slices wood fibers for crisp, tear-free marking, while the extended 6-inch reach handles a wide variety of layouts. Micro-adjustable settings with built-in half-inch detents make locking exact measurements effortless, and imperial or metric options suit any preference. Perfect for precise layouts, cleaner cuts, and flawless woodworking joinery. Take every layout from ordinary to exceptionally accurate. Meet the JessEm Sword Squares, designed to elevate the traditional layout tool with unmatched control, versatility, and precision for every woodworking project. The ergonomic sword handle keeps your wrist straight for greater comfort and stability, while the dual imperial and metric blade features precise scribing notches on both sides. Its thin blade eliminates parallax error for dependable measurements. Retractable balancing tabs keep the square steady, and the patented flex grip prevents slipping. Finished with permanent laser-etched markings, it's perfect for marking, scribing, squaring, cabinetry, furniture building, and fine woodworking. Build stronger, perfectly aligned joints with confidence on every project. Meet the JessEm Dowelling Jig, redesigned from the ground up using 8 years of woodworker feedback to deliver legendary precision, unmatched efficiency, and excellent affordability. Built from heavy-duty 11-gauge laser-cut stainless steel, it offers lasting durability and precise performance. Enhanced adjustability up to 11/16 of an inch matches different stock sizes with ease, while integrated scribing indents, stainless steel indexing pins, and laser-engraved markings ensure flawless alignment. Optional drill bits with stop collars and a 45-degree miter attachment expand its versatility, making it ideal for furniture, cabinets, frames, and professional woodworking joinery. Unlock professional routing accuracy without overspending. Introducing the JessEm Rout-R-Lift 3.5XT, a precision-engineered router lift that delivers premium performance at a more accessible price than flagship models. Built from heavy-duty materials, it provides the strength and durability needed for demanding workshop use while ensuring rock-solid accuracy. Convenient above-the-table adjustments with a top-accessible crank arm let you fine-tune cutting depth quickly and effortlessly. Its advanced lifting mechanism offers smooth, friction-free operation, and versatile compatibility supports popular router motors, including Bosch and Milwaukee. Perfect for router tables, cabinetry, furniture making, joinery, and precision woodworking projects. Move your workshop with ease while keeping every station rock solid when it matters. Introducing the JessEm Multi-Purpose Casters, heavy-duty workshop casters designed to give your benches, stands, and tables the flexibility every workspace needs. Built from rugged 12-gauge steel, they withstand demanding daily use while supporting smooth mobility. The custom cam locking design with an easy-to-use foot pedal provides exceptional holding power, keeping equipment securely in place during precision work. Arriving fully assembled for quick installation, these versatile casters fit steel stands, wooden workbenches, and more, making them ideal for woodworking, metalworking, DIY projects, and workshop organization. Upgrade your router table without the expense of a full lift system. Meet the JessEm Mast-R-Plate, the ultimate solution for woodworkers who want convenient top-side router table adjustments while using their existing router motor. Laser-engraved alignment guides make universal mounting quick and hassle-free, eliminating complicated measuring or drilling. Supporting over 20 compatible router motors, it offers long-term flexibility as your workshop grows. Integrated lift access holes allow easy above-the-table height adjustments on compatible routers, while the all-inclusive package includes mounting hardware and insert rings for simple installation. Perfect for routing, edge profiling, joinery, cabinet making, and precision woodworking projects. Build stronger joinery with professional accuracy using nothing more than a hand drill. Introducing the JessEm Pocket Mill Pro, the industry's first drop-step loose tenon mortising jig, designed to make precise mortises simple for woodworkers of every skill level. Built in Canada from premium stainless steel and anodized aluminum, its innovative drop-step mechanism automatically advances the cutter for consistent, accurate cuts, while a one-touch reset speeds up repetitive work. Laser-etched guides ensure perfect alignment. Integrated dust collection keeps your workspace clean, and it supports standard 5mm, 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm mortises. Perfect for furniture making, cabinetry, repairs, and custom woodworking projects. Set every tool with confidence and eliminate costly measurement mistakes. Meet the JessEm Tool Setting Gauge, a versatile setup tool designed to deliver precise adjustments for router bits, table saw blades, and fence positions. Its dual orientation design works seamlessly both vertically and horizontally, giving you unmatched flexibility around the workshop. Laser cut and engraved with advanced CNC technology, it provides crisp, permanent, and highly accurate markings. The intuitive brass knob allows quick, secure locking, while smart top and bottom reference indicators simplify depth and height settings. Perfect for woodworking, machine setup, calibration, routing, and precision cutting tasks. Make every table saw cut safer, smoother, and more accurate. Introducing the JessEm Clear Cut STS stock guides. Combining the heavy-duty performance of JessEm's legendary table saw stock guides with the compact adaptability of their router table guides. These innovative guides keep stock firmly against the fence for flawless, repeatable precision, while angled rollers apply consistent downward and forward pressure for outstanding anti-kickback protection. Designed for universal compatibility with industrial, cabinet, contractor, and job site table saws, they also feature a reinforcement bar for secure mounting on lightweight fences, perfect for safer ripping, straight cuts, and precision woodworking. Measure with confidence and achieve flawless layouts every time. Introducing the JessEm Precision Squares, setting a new industry benchmark for accuracy, durability, and workshop efficiency. The laser-cut 301 full hard stainless steel blade delivers exceptional strength, while the unique laser-etched and annealed markings remain permanently visible. Patented flex grip tabs lock the square securely in place to prevent shifting, and built-in 1/16-inch scribing notches make parallel marking fast and accurate. A dual-sided balancing tab, ergonomic aluminum handle, and lifetime alignment guarantee ensure dependable performance. Perfect for layout work, measuring, squaring, cabinetry, furniture making, and precision woodworking. Achieve flawless crosscuts with confidence and unmatched precision. Introducing the JessEm Mite-R-Excel Two, engineered for maximum accuracy and lifetime durability, and proudly manufactured in North America with every gauge hand-tested for perfect squareness. Its anodized aluminum fence, custom-rolled steel guide bar, and precision Swiss-turned stainless steel components provide exceptional reliability. The patented Snugger system eliminates slot play, while the micro-adjuster, flip-stop, laser-engraved angle scale, extendable fence, and quick reset locating pin ensure fast, repeatable setups. Perfect for cross-cutting, miter cuts, cabinetry, furniture making, trim work, and precision woodworking projects. Mark perfect angles faster and work with complete confidence on every project. Meet the JessEm Quick Angle Square, redefining speed and precision with innovative features that replace outdated layout methods. The instant angle locking system uses a brass angle stop with 11 positive detents for fast, repeatable settings, while the multi-angle built-in bubble level keeps every layout true. Tool setup stability, deeply engraved markings, precise 1/16-inch scribing slots, and the patented flex grip ensure secure, slip-free accuracy. Perfect for woodworking, machine setup, layout work, framing, cabinetry, trim installation, and precision measuring in the workshop or job site. Keep your router table spotless and your attention focused on precision woodworking. Introducing the JessEm Heavy Duty Dust Box, engineered to capture wood shavings and dust efficiently for a cleaner, safer workspace. Its dual intake system collects debris from both the fence and beneath the insert ring through dedicated dust ports, while the rugged 18-gauge steel construction ensures lasting durability. The large, flush-mounted design offers generous capacity, and the removable side panel provides quick router motor access without removing the lift. Compatible with most router tables, lifts, and Pow-R-Tek SR integration, it is ideal for routing, cabinetry, furniture making, and professional woodworking. unlocks smoother routing with a motor built specifically for router tables. Introducing the JessEm Pow-R-Tek SR router motor, a horsepower, heavy-duty workhorse engineered from the ground up to operate upside down for maximum performance and reliability. Advanced dust and heat management, dual angular contact spindle bearings, and a premium ER20 collet system deliver exceptionally low vibration and outstanding precision. The heavy-duty casting, external variable speed control, no-volt release switch, soft start, and fast brake provide superior safety and control during every project. Perfect for cabinetry, joinery, edge profiling, furniture making, and precision woodworking in professional and home workshops. Cut with greater confidence while keeping every pass smooth and accurate. Introducing the JessEm T-S Stock Guides, a trusted extra pair of hands that improves safety and delivers pristine, repeatable cuts on your table saw. Patented dynamic control uses one-way rollers set at a 5-degree angle to keep stock firmly against the fence, while downward spring pressure minimizes shifting, burning, and kickback. Versatile mounting options allow installation on your fence or with the MagSwitch Mag-Jig 150s for added flexibility. Simply adjust the roller height, lock it in place, and enjoy safer, more precise ripping, trimming, and woodworking operations. Measure with confidence and bring flawless accuracy to every project. Meet the JessEm Precision Rulers, setting the new benchmark in measurement excellence for woodworkers, carpenters, architects, and dedicated hobbyists. Crafted from premium 301 full hard stainless steel, each ruler is CNC machined, perfectly flattened, and built for exceptional stability. The patented Flex Grip system prevents slipping for precise marking, while deeply double-etched and laser-engraved scales remain permanently clear even after years of use. Available in both imperial and metric versions, these rulers are perfect for layout work, measuring, marking, cabinetry, furniture making, and precision woodworking. That wraps up our list of 20 amazing JessEm tools you need in your shop. Which of these woodworking tools are you adding to your workshop next? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more expert woodworking tool reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest shop gear guides. Happy woodworking!